Hey there, I am Ahmed and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can add gradient background inside a particular text field. So starting off I have a HTML heading I am Ahmed with some basic styling of font size and font family. So the first step is to add the background image here as a linear gradient. As you can see, it cover the whole HTML element, but we want it inside our text. So there is a property called background clip. Here we are using it background clip and give it a value text. So you can see there is no change because we have to add webkit before the property, as you can see. So the last step is to do is make the color transparent. So here it is, you can see this. Do subscribe for more videos. Thanks.